We're back on the shores of Lake Washington at Carillon Kitchen. A gorgeous view, friendly atmosphere, and incredible food make this a stop for locals and tourists alike.
This oftentimes is the first place I recommend.
You could come for brunch or breakfast.
I would say it's pretty casual, but also, elevated from food quality.
They just put a lot of heart into their food, you can tell that.
We focus a lot on the details in back
Sure.
that the customer doesn't see.
Executive Chef Brian Doherty uses his skills in the kitchen to make food that feels fresh and healthy for people on the go.
This is part of our grab-and-go restaurant for the Woodmark Hotel. It's a great concept. It's a healthier concept. We try to focus on local, organic ingredients.
It's very casual, but very clean and fresh.
Really just like a good kind of grab and go.
I would say it's super laid back.
We focus a lot on technique and proper technique, and that really accomplishes our end flavor and our goal of what we want. We do spend a lot of time in preparing, but we don't want that to affect the guest and waiting for a half hour for their meal.
It seems like you're out of town. It seems like you're somewhere kind of on the East Coast. You hear kind of the bells of the boats in the background.
I mean, you can see all of Lake Washington from here, the Olympic Mountains, Seattle.
I love it here.
So what are you and I gonna make?
Well, our turkey confit club is one of our favorite signature items. It's a twist on a turkey club, but it's really the preparation and our sauce and how we prepare the turkey, which is
Kicked up a notch.
Kicked up a notch, yeah.
Well, cheers.
Cheers.
Here we go. Washington grown.
All right, awesome.
You get a lot of people off their boats coming here.
We do, yeah. A lot of people, yachts and all that stuff.
Yeah.
Coming up, grabbing food and going down.
Well, that's how I got here. I took my yacht.
So turkey confit is a French cooking method. So they do a light cure on it, cook it in its own fat, but we're going to use duck fat for this application.
And the outcome is like really moist, really rich.
Yes.
Just falling off the bone.
Yeah, and very
kind of-
flavorful.
yeah.
We start by seasoning the turkey.
Okay.
It's very simple ingredients: salt, pepper, shallots, garlic, and then I use rosemary and thyme as well.
Oh, nice.
And we'll just put that in there. And then dump the...
Do you want me to just dump that?
Yeah.
We layer the bottom of the pan with rosemary, shallots, and garlic. Then we add the turkey and cover the top with more herbs.
And then we're going to cover it, let this sit overnight for about 36 hours.
So you have to be patient for this.
You have to be patient for it, yeah.
But the outcome is great.
Yeah, the end result's amazing. So while we wait, we can make the tomato jam.
We heat up a pan of olive oil and add in some fresh basil, which we'll remove after cooking. Next, we add a skinless and seedless tomato.
So those are organic, locally grown heirloom tomatoes. Yeah.
Isn't that nice having something
It
from
is.
right out here?
It is, and I love being in Washington, not just with the produce, but the seafood. I kind of feel like we're in the Mecca.
We cook that down and then add some red wine vinegar and about 4 tablespoons of sugar.
So we're going to cook this down until all the liquid is removed from the pan, and it's about a jam consistency. is what
Oh,
we
okay.
want.
But
Yeah.
how long does that take?
It takes about 2 to 3 hours. Yeah, you
So
cook it
again,
really slow.
You have to
simmer.
be patient.
You have to be patient
You're
with
really
this dish.
testing me today.
After the turkey's done marinating, we pour the duck fat over it and let it cook overnight.
And when you take it out, it just falls apart.
Just
You can
falls
see it.
apart.
Just like that.
Oh my gosh, it's so good.
After all that time, we finally get to make the sandwich. We start with a rosemary baguette and add the tomato jam. Next comes the Beecher's white cheddar and the turkey. Then we sprinkle on some bacon, toast the sandwich, and move on to some tomato slices.
It's a honkin' tomato.
Tomato.
Yeah.
We add some avocado and some baby kale with the touch of olive oil, salt, and pepper.
And voila.
And voila.
Look at how beautiful that is.
And then
There we go.
ready to go.
Oh my gosh. This is going to be a disaster.
No, you'll be good.
That is so good. Everything about it is delicious. I like how it's a little messy too. That is a turkey confit club. Thank you so much.
No, thank you.
That was great.
To get the recipe for Carillon Kitchen's Turkey Confit Club, visit wagrown.com.